Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Esther. Thanks to my returning subscriber. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I love and appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thanks to my new subscriber. You are welcome to this beautiful family. God bless you. I am so grateful. Thank you guys for your support. Please guys, keep supporting me. If it's your first time you come across this my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first to know. YouTube will notify you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank to everybody who have been sharing my video. Thank to all my subscribers. Thank to all my returning subscribers. For those of you that is not always returning to watch my video, but say thank you. God bless you. I so much appreciate you. Thank you so much. So I'm going to be talking about reacting to videos. You guys know how I do it on my channel here, you understand. So thank you so much, amazing people, for your support, for always coming to watch my video. God bless you. So this is my channel. We talk about ogbege matter, good things, good news, things that is not nice. If we see waiting not good, we see they talk about and we still give advice. Those things now we do for this my channel. We they use pidgin English, we they use correct English, So thank you everybody. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. I so much love and appreciate you guys. Thank you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Love you.
Take support Governor Obaseki. Say mo see Akosha value home. Mo so use the same time. Sit spoiler. We are ready. Abat, the lies in your mouth is too heavy. I not blame you. I not blame you. I blame us. As many that is viewing me now. As you they blame me. Now so me say blame you. Because you believe Abat even more than me during the election period. My code don't go. I don't denoma. I don't take injection. I not the sick again. You even believe Abat more than me during the time of election. Abat, if you say me scatter everywhere like this, I know so una get gone. Una get toss, una get army, na Boko Haram army. Now they work for una one take the key person. But please, in the name of God Almighty, and the name of anything where they give una level, where they give una mind, more than they lie. If you want to kill anybody, kill me. If you want to do anything, any harm to anybody, let it be me. It should be me. It should be me and me alone. Because this time around, we want to talk the way it be. But you say some people say that things say supporting the government, not to the embezzle money. Not the only thing where they support government. But can you tell the congregation, the 2,000 view or the 2,000 plus view that view you now, say during this election, the money where Governor Obaseki bring come out for social media, can you come out to public to tell us, say you give us the money? Well, when I'm worried. But Governor Obaseki issued money for us, for we the presenter on social media. Brett Efeyi is aware of this. Eddie Murphy is aware of this. Combre Newty Binigun is aware of this money. Combre Lamti Oriaki, Combre Show is aware of this money. Bush Lion is aware of this money. Pahitro is aware of this money. Edo Voice is aware of this money. Abat, do we receive that money? Did you give that money to us? How much you bring come out? I still have it in email in my phone because thank God say the money where they bring come during Obaseki time, and not they put out for my direct account. You never issue money to Gladys William account. Never. The only money where they bring come, I give you my son, my first son account. Now I give you where they put money. For the beginning of Obaseki, I, Queen Stainless, for the first day, I had a handshake with Governor Obaseki. I carry him matapu for head. I carry in matter. That word when you talk, say, some people think say to join government, not to the embezzle money, you just click yourself into a trap and never wanted to talk about. For you to even make sure, say, they know they collect money for a side government, you kick me to area and never wanted to step into. About how much did you pay to social media presenter in diaspora? Our money was issued in the Sadebe Avenue. I even messaged you. I told you, Abbas, you don't call this number. I'm not going to kill you. Abbas, they issue 800,000 each to all presenters in diaspora. Where don't they shout 4+4? You bring out 200,000. Say, you even said, is that 200,000? You want even select people where you go even give her the money. It shouldn't be everybody. I give you names. I give you names. I write names for everybody where support Obaseki give you. I didn't miss one. Even those where hate me, I write their names give you. I write their names give you. I write their names give you, Abbas. You have their name. You say you go select those where you will give. Say not be everybody. Who be this? Somebody, not verse. Somebody said I talk too much. I need to remove this person right from here because now Krati member be that. Now some of Abbas add me. You bring 200,000 and I message you. I tell you say Abbas, can they reach me say money will reach our hand at 800K. Boss, the difference is too big. Clear me, wait till play. I called Brett Efeyi. I said, don't collect that 200,000 from Abbas. I called if you man tell me na ya mio either ugbeme or igbue. Now one of the option. I called if I said, don't take this money from Abbas. I called a comprenanti Igbinigun, the Archbishop of activism. Don't take this money from Abbas. I was in Italy when this money came. That was when I got to Italy to see the father of my kids with Bella. I was in Italy when this money come. I called around. I said, this money will not take. Then Abbas went on my WhatsApp and he tell me, say, stay less. If I don't bring paper or file where the writer and say, now 800,000 they'll give us, he not going to even give me the 200,000. He say I must submit where the writer our name say he must give us 800,000. My brother, like this. I felt talking yesterday. The only thing they valuable for me for this land are my children. And if you want kill me, I not to see them again. Don't touch them. Don't go there. Mama, she never even send me message. Now let my life. The day when I come governor house, my mother hold me very strong. He said you are not going there. Tell me what you do first before you go see governor. Before they call person for government house, something might have happened. She hold me very strong. He said I know they go. I tell her, they said they need my help. She hold me, make I not go. So she not send me. She not support my movement one day to governor office. Mama not support her. She not there among. She not even tell me say go come self. She say I must tell her say see what I do where they make me go there. If not, she not agree me I go. So come out her for the matter. Let it be me. It should be me. After we come battle this money, comrade Lanti Oriakidi comrade show. He was the only one who spoke to Abbas over this morning issue. He talked to Abbas. Comrade, I say you dead life now. Start confessing. It is time to set our land free or never. Freedom is now or never. The evil one has to be clear now or never. The honesty has to be reviewed now or never. We better start being honest with ourselves now or we will never do it again. We better start telling ourselves the truth now or we will never have the opportunity to do it again. It is either the time we start telling ourselves how it happen for inside those states, the little that you know, through telephone conversation, through informal conversation, anyhow, through SMS, through WhatsApp, through email, the little that you know is about those state government. Let's bring it out now. Now. It is now, and it has to be now. And if it is not now, it can never replace again. Our voice not loud now, make it even past 3 months to settle everything within Nigeria. I'm not even talking about state anymore. It will never happen again. For that boy to talk, say, to follow politicians, not to they collect money. My brother, you slap me. You offend me. You offend me big time. You offend me big time. I'm telling you, I hate to the verse. And on the TV, so I go work over the pastor. I'll sleep. I'll relax. More the thought truth now, or we will never have the time to say it again. Wherever you have the right, and you get the chance to say you see anything where you see, bring it up. Not wait for anybody to challenge you before you bring it up, because it is now. They might not challenge you if they think the evidence is very heavy. Because if they not challenge you, you go to fear to bring them up. You have to bring it up. You have to bring it up. Don't wait for them to push you before you bring anything out now. Don't wait for them to say they wait, make them push you first before you bring anything out. Because if the evidence is heavy, they will not push you to that length. They will not push you to that length. They will not push you to that length. Abbat no say I be honest person. Abbat no say no matter amount of money you're going to pay me, I must speak when it's the right time to speak. That is why you were bold enough and confident enough with your courage to summon me before His Excellency, your governor. Who you think is your Adola? Only you like him. You think only you like Governor Abi? Every one of us will love him before. As it is now, not get governor, not talk of the one where I like. You don't understand. As it is now, not get one. Governor Obaseki agree. Before they bring me come your office, they know say that's who I be. They know me. They know say I me be this. They know say if it's time for me to talk, I'll talk. They know me. They know say even that is what the identification Abbat give you in your office. He say your SLS sir. This man here he introduced Eddie Murphy. You Abbat, you introduce Eddie Murphy. You say this man here is the person who was very vital about human trafficking, to stop human trafficking and the oppression. And this man is very good. He has a very large platform. His voice, Eddie Murphy. He talk here. Eddie Murphy. Ya toge na sayamonu temebe fo na no sayamonu kama we sele sutoge ne sele soge abe bueni ya Eddie Murphy do sayamonu ni ya Eddie Murphy do sayamonu gele do sayamonu gele do gbe yamonu gele do sayamonu gele Eddie Murphy, you were there. Abbat introduced you as the best man, as the good man who cried well for human trafficking must stop. That's why he tried to introduce you. You know how he introduced me now. He said this one where they inside. He said no matter, even if you give her money, she must talk what she have to say. Yeah, but Eddie Murphy, not be saying they introduce me. He said even if you pay me, I must talk what I have to talk. That's why he introduced me, give governor. And governor, thank God, who bring me to you, tell you who I am, before I sat down there. Like this, I'm telling you who you are. Who not get friend of evil. In my friendship, no oppression. In my friendship, no intimidation. In my friendship, everyone is equal. In my friendship, you don't know pass me, I don't know pass you. Guide me, I guide you. In my friendship, you wash my back, I wash your back. In my friendship, let's do it the way it is. In my friendship, you say it the way it is. My friendship now, do it the way where you know, say, now so it could take good for everybody. That is my friendship. That is the kind of friendship I keep with people. I don't keep friendship of money. I don't keep friendship of materialistic shit. I don't keep friendship. If you give me money today, you do anyhow tomorrow, I'll bless you. Because if I not bless you, go be like say you buy me with the small money where you give me. If I not tell you the truth, go be like say you don't buy my saliva where God take bless me. If I not tell you, go be like say you don't buy the thing where God dash me, say, stay, let's go to the world and be honest to anyone that come around you. Now so God take bless me. And my father tell me, say, if I go last for this life, the people around me must be happy. That is why I have no cockroach in my cupboard. That is why I not sabi carry body. That is why I be like tissue paper when you feel roll like this. You will see the ending if you come close to me. Now the kind of human being where God they bless me be that. Now the kind of person, woman I grow up to be, now be that. That one I can't do. That one I can't do. Nobody will not cry this money matter go meet. Even my mama, daughter, Lorenta Ogboro tell me, say this money was a very... If Obaseki say, if your excellency, if you even say I'm lying now, come and tell me, say I did not bring this money out, and you go swear oath for the second time before I go take am from you. Listen, I'm too big for football. Agree again, mommy. Mommy, I not agree again like this. I not agree again. I don't vex. Mommy, I not agree again like this. I tell you, mommy, say you they press me down. You they tell me, say like calm down, that they listen to you. And I tell you, say the day when I go disobey everybody, I'm not gonna let anybody know. Now me be this, mommy. You know me very well. You have known me for years. This house, now me and you do house want me for this house. You sabi me finish. You know your girl. You know I stand for truth. You know that is why you love me. You say you see potentials in me. You don't see failures in me. You don't see anything like disappointment in me. You say you see potentials in me. That is why you love me as a sister, as a girl, you want to be my mentor. And I'm appreciating you big time. Big time. I'm appreciating you big time. Let me say this one the way it is. Once and for all. That was the second money Abbas put for my son's account, not to my account. The first money was what they call me, says, "Let's give me account, man, to give you money, to support your data." It was 100,000, 300,000. Now I come out for even this 300,000. Efe receive, is also receiving 100,000. Brother Efe, are you here? Can someone call Efe for me? Brother Efe, are you here? If you are here, tell me you are here, my brother. Let's set our land free. It is now or never. Not be everybody they see what they not be everybody they feel the pain what they feel. Abbas not they feel what they feel. Abbas not they feel them. What would they feel? Abbas not they feel them. Because if they go they do shopping for yourself every month. He said a medicine dead there. Even though a medicine dead there, Abbas. The medicine was COVID-19. Now only COVID-19 be sickness where they are those states. Fever not they keep person. Typhoid not they keep person. Malaria not they keep person. Why did the government bring the medication out to even set some people free in the hospital? Why you not carry the medicine make sure and follow hospitals? Why the medicine not go hospital instead of being in a warehouse? Now why you not take train animal where don't die? Now why you not take train animal where don't die? Now why is that take train animal where don't die? Not be human being, now why is that take care of? But sometimes it's better not to talk than to be stupid, than to be ranting nonsense. It's better not to talk than you open that your gather teeth, then they talk rubbish. That your teeth will not get space, will be like Conway too full. Then they talk nonsense. It's better not to talk because during this election, you carry everybody to play. During this election, you carry everybody to do your year. During this election, you told everybody to say, "Now let you know, pass." During this election, we just want to calm down. Make it not be like saying, "I talk back on the fight yourself." Now make us calm down. I know how many times I press it down. When if you want to act more, I know how many times. I know how many times. You do this thing, to press everybody anyhow. You use that to turn everybody to mumu. Because of say we just want to be one voice for one time in our life. For one time in our life, we just want to be unit. You just want to be united. For one time for our life, we just want to be united. Say the truth, save a land, save a soul. But still, somebody like you inside was still fighting for your stomach. Somebody inside is still evil till now. You are not even worried about people that is dead. You are laughing because the numbers is reduced, it's not high. I see now when you write down. He said for 100, I send to 17. You are even laughing that the numbers is not high, that is reduced. Even they say 200, we finally find 3. You should be happy. You should be happy, say not 300. You be laughing. But check your live video way they do these days. Check the one way they do before. You go know say difference there. No matter how you want to make this with matter. No matter how you want to paint this matter. No matter how you want to paint this matter. Una make a wrong mistake or involving me. If now they cry pull since. Una make a very wrong mistake for involving me. Una for no breed me come. Now for not breed me come. Even when the money not come out, I still continue. The day of election, I don't sleep. Make people not consider I was doing everything I was doing because of money. I still continue for the heart where I get for God. Obaseki say he was a good man. I never know. Say it can be so in the States. It can inspire breaking prison. It can inspire area that people will make you feel make people see him as a good man. But he cannot go to inspect area that people will see him as a man of legacy. Godwin Governor, Obaseki. It's better to live like a hero of a legacy than to live like a wedded sheep man. I'm telling you, my life where I want to live, I don't want to become billionaire or millionaire or trillionaire. I want to live a life where they say, even when I'm dead and gone, my story will remain like Ogbemudia, like every other good people, like Mercy Mandela, like every other people where don't fight for justice, where don't fight for freedom, where don't fight against oppression. Now where I stand, I be that. Now where my mind say make I go, now be that. I don't want to live. May you come to tell me say she was the richest person on earth, but she was so heartless. I don't want to live. May they tell me say she was so blessed with money, but she never think of about anybody. I don't want to live. May they tell me say she spent all her years in Europe. She didn't even take about it less privilege. I don't want to live. Say no, only her mama and her brother, her family, now she care about it. Not care about people who will not get the opportunity. I care about everybody. During the corona crisis, na me busy person, whether they laugh for Facebook, say they do beggar. As a beggar that I am, I still beg to give to those who don't know where to beg or who don't know how to beg. But what did you do? You give to your team. Only your crack team receive your goods. You bless your team because you know when you go stupid, those are the ones that will come out to say, our God, the thought truth, our God, the thought truth. Like you say, your people. You say my people will love me, they dead. That was what you say in your live streaming. Those are your people because they love you. They are getting from you because the same way you are getting from the governor. The day where I go see governor, I reached there. My brother Tony Kabaka asked me this question. Kaboski. My brother Kaboski asked me this question. Say, Stainless. When you go see governor, how much he give you? Is that because nobody they go government has made they not give her money? If I not tell truth, or if I not tell my brother truth, who I go tell truth? Eddie Murphy! Let's come out. We are motivational speaker. That's why they carry us go government house. So now let me and you go there. Now let me and you go there. Talk what happen there. Now let you go fit. Now let you go fit. Tell me say Stainless, you are lying now. Now let you go fit. Tell me now say Stainless, you don't dey lie. Oh. Now let you go fit. Tell me say Stainless, shut up. You are talking lie. Oh. Eddie Murphy come. Oh. Eddie Murphy come. This number where I pin here. Call her. Me you call. Tell me say Stainless, you are lying. Or call her, tell me say, Stainless, careful. Call. Lare, come. Eddie Murphy. Go and go see governor. How much you give us? We talk finish. After we don't give our points. Wait till we feel say it be our problem. Eddie Murphy talking you. Me talk my own. Everybody we talk finish. As we want come out. See as I dirty, of course now. I dirty now. As I take wake up this morning because of our bath. I don't even wear braces. If you want to see my breast, you want sock. I not see wear braces. I come. If I don't work, I not see negative comments. The only thing when I do, not to the block them. If I don't work, I don't see negative comments. If I don't wear this glass, I am mannerless. I fear no bastard. You get answer? Eddie Murphy. We read this, I tell her, say, me, I don't know, say, I go see person like you, governor, today. I can't, my burial, I can't do. The father of my children, my mama died, so I can't join my children for the burial. So after we talk finish, as one come out, now I ask questions, say, who can't do burial? How bad are they lie? I cannot wawa. Am I lying? I cannot big man. amala igakan me no se Morocco we amabo se wo gwani e dede gbo ya brush gu se Morocco se sigara kan e yanya me no se Morocco akome ye maso gwa si ogbipon wo obapo o le ya kono bani ya to go bi agie yo o ya kono bani ya to bi o bi agie yo awada no da we bere awe na se na mi give me envelope. Bless I get that kind of envelope here. Abesa woro. Abesa zigi. Abesa tup 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 tup. Abesa tup 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 tup. Abesa we. Yes. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Gatwe oh na kanfo. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Gatwe oh ya base. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Garura kwa oh na kanfo. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Great and those youths. Wow. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Akpana ke mu ma wo yori meje ba o ina ya gba yan o. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Hey, gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Akako wa o gba ga mo me o ima poru no su gbo we ma si ju egbe. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Gatwe mi noraka na kanfo. Wa ma o wa ga tie me o wa ma o wa ga tie me. Gatwe mi mommy Egg no ni matter no for. Let's say it once and for all as it is. Mommy, women, you are among the people who see good things in me. You don't see nonsense in me. So I know if you can't use myself, can't they breathe dirty, can't they rub now. It has been long. You don't tell away the time and say calm down. Today, I go disobey all of you. Later, if I come on, I not pick. If I don't calm down, I say check on me. Today, I go disobey all of now. Today, I must set myself free. I feel do nonsense, I still confess. Not talk or say, now I even invite me come. The one where I do hide. Me don't do something hide. I confess. Not talk or say, the one where I even involve me put. Ija. Oh, yok belly. Ugbame kere mi are gometas. Ugbame ukere mi areva. Huegi kuejo. Eruya gave my governor. He said, even if you giving me money, I will still say it the way it be. Like this. Magai ma awada we bariavo ena we meno. Ti mo pari go ni na be dame. Nonsense. Owiak buma. Owiak. Yigimoa, my nation, my president. So after my family, why all that way boy, why my private jet play? Wala diema. Nene bello por your tasse. It don't what tasse. If you are wait. Where scissors? Now give her better measurements. Where my scissors? Wait.